Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful natural day cream that is very light on the skin, smells amazing, and has powerful sun protective properties. I usually prefer lighter creams during daytime and heavier creams made with natural butters as a night cream. For this cream, I have used rose water. I have tried this recipe with both homemade rose water and steam distilled rose water from the shops. Personally, I prefer the cream made with steam distilled rose water from the shops as it has a long shelf life of about 12 months. Rose water, like we all know, has a soothing effect on our skin and is perfect to use during daytime. This cream also has natural sun protective properties. Many of you were asking me a recipe for natural sunscreen. Usually, natural sunscreens are made with zinc oxide as a base. But if you don't want to use zinc oxide and are looking for another alternative, then cold pressed raspberry seed oil is the best choice. It has a similar UV protective properties like titanium dioxide, which is also another popular sun protective ingredient. And I'll leave the link to the study supporting this claim in the description box below. Also, I have used store-bought aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume for this recipe. But if you're allergic to aloe vera, then you can try using flaxseed gel, and I'll leave the link to the video recipe for it in the description box below. But if you're using flaxseed gel for this recipe, you'll have to store this cream in the refrigerator. For the cream, take 1.5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of steam distilled rose water to it. Add 10 drops of cold pressed raspberry seed oil too. Finally, add in 3 to 5 drops of rose essential oil. Now mix well with a whisk or a spoon. At first, the mixture will be very lumpy, but as you keep mixing, it will form a smooth cream. This cream smells really amazing and is so light and refreshing on the skin. Once fully mixed well, store it in a glass bottle at room temperature. This cream should last well for about weeks together at room temperature. But I prefer to make small batches like this, enough for a week, so the smell remains fresh. This cream has broad spectrum UV protective properties and protects the skin from both UVA and UVB rays. It has a SPF ranging from 20 to 50, depending on the quality of the raspberry seed oil. So try to use pure cold pressed raspberry seed oil for best results. Since all the ingredients used in this cream are rich in antioxidants, it has wonderful anti-aging properties too. Since raspberry seed oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties than most other oils, it will help heal skin conditions like psoriasis, acne and eczema. People with both oily and dry skin can use this as a day cream. I'll leave the online links for buying all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. Regular use of this cream will brighten dull skin really well. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.